What? At the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know, carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what going on. When I come to represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know what go. When me load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrify one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Asian people. It can't get no more electrified than that. The way how we represent. A Gaza way. There ain't no other way. No lollipop thing in it. No gimmicks thing in it. Right now, nation people. Me hear everybody forward out and a chat all type of crap on the internet. I'm glad how MC nothing. Forward out. I make the people them know. Say Vybz Kartel and nobody now have no other. You see what I say? No jump off, nothing like that one at the Bumbuckler concert. So it only left me for see say the whole of dancehall siddung pan Bumbuckler Vybz Kartel name like Back Pocket Rock. You know how I know that people? I know you not see nobody come out on social media and say big up the King Vybz Kartel. No Bumbuckler, man. Nobody at all. You hear that? Yo, people. I tell you, me about action and action me watch. It speak loud and mouth. You hear that? Your mouth can open and say any bumper ass thing where you want. You see what I say? But action I go prove and show me which part you're there. Certify and solidify. Now give me thing that about it. And me say, the whole of dancehall, nobody no forward out and say that. Yo, we not eat on the DJ. You see what I say? And no man can say the DJ there Jamaica and I try hold long no artist or hold long no space in the DJ. So it only left me for say at the Bumbuckler money where the DJ collect per show, right? And that cause the problem in a Bumbuckler dancehall. Eh? And that cause the problem in a dancehall because I can't the fucking bookings, you know. You see what I say? Because the DJ can book himself by keeping his own show. But that's not the fucking case we are going right here. Eh? The DJ book out all over the Bumbuckler world. 4 different countries. We don't see my forward from first world country to so no lollipop thing in my game now, no gimmicks thing in it to the way how I represent right now. Yo, I hate it. The people them are bad mind the DJ, my brother. The DJ, the artist, them bad mind the DJ, Bumbuckler producer bad mind the DJ, dancehall fan bad mind the DJ, every blood clot body bad mind the DJ, dog. I can't blood clot believe. No gimmicks thing that in it, no lollipop thing that in it. For when Beanie Man I get the Bumbuckler crown in a Bumbuckler dancehall, it never have so much problem, my brother. You see what I say? And nobody never and I tell Yellow Man say I him have to go put the crown on Beanie Man head. They never have nobody saying all of these shit, my brother. Right now, I not listen to no Bumbuckler body. And the action me I watch. And the action I show me say dancehall, bad mind the G. The artists them, producer them, fans them, every Bumbuckler body. No segregation. Bad mind on to the Bumbuckler fullest. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that in it, no lollipop thing that in it. And none of you we hear a chat. No Bumbuckler help artists like Vybz Kartel. You hear that? None of you. I'm going to flip the blood clot script one more time. Yeah. No gimmicks thing that in my game. No lollipop thing that in it. None of you where you hear a blood clot chat up on your mouth and I go like this or that. Uno no help bumbo clot, blood clot. Uno no blood clot help artists like bumbo clot, vybz kartel. Vybz kartel do the most collaboration with female bumbo clot artists. Uno boss, uno bring to the forefront coming a dancehall. Yo, bad mind to the fullest dog. Uno sit down on the general name like back pocket rap. No boy! In a dancehall, we will talk a phone and spit lyrics out of that bad like blood clot vybz kartel. None! You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that about it. So all you hear people are chat. That's just a bumbo clot infatuation. Not in your mind alone, in your mouth too. But the bumbo ass clot don't know. No bad like bumbo clot vybz kartel. When? When? What time? Which part? Which ear? Which part on prove that? Who know of that? That solidify or certify that wishful blood clot thinking. When your bad say you have to open your blood clot mouth, the people them speak for you. You hear that? I'll make sure I tell you that. You see me? Self-praise and a recommendation. No lollipop thing in a bumbo ass clot game. You know? When you're bad, so you don't have to open your mouth and run out on the internet and chat. Or not show up business and chat. No fuckery. When you're bad like that, the bumbo clot people them speak for you. You hear that? No joke shit no dead about it. No lollipop thing in it. Yo, no can't stop greatness, you know, my brother. Dog, a common thing you know do, you know. What vybz kartel, bumbo ass clot do, you know, unbelievable thing, you know. You hear that? You know think common. You see me? An unbelievable thing the G do. You hear me? But I still a prison 13 bumbo clot years and still relevant in a dancehall. I get gold and silver record in a prison. That never have been happened before. You hear that? Never ever been happened before. So all of you we chat up on your mouth, you chup bumbo clot artists to the general. You hear that? Yeah, you know I'm not artists from bumbo clot. Dancehall start from in the 70s until now. Dancehall I've never ever seen a bumbo clot artist like vybz kartel. You hear that? So now make the man come on the blood clot internet and run them mouth and the man can't hold no talker phone and chat that. You chat that to your local bumbo clot nerdy pearly friend them. You hear that? No gimmicks thing that in my game. No lollipop thing that in it. No boy can't say a lie me I tell. A boy can boots up him artist and say, well then yeah I'm artist that and him rep for him artist. Me not no problem with that. But when you go talk about artist business and feel like so well then you want compare. You can't call your artist name to blood clot vybz kartel. Nowhere in our world. You hear that? No gimmicks thing that about it than a lollipop thing that in it. I might can't blood clot beat right. You see me kind of care how you fight. You can't change that. Your artist is not vybz kartel. You hear that? If your artist were vybz kartel, he would not have no problem collecting million and bumbo clot change per show. You hear that? If your artist were like vybz kartel, he would not have no problem collect 800 and add bumbo clot £1,000. I show a blood clot England. Live Nation said that. Live Nation said no artist in a bumbo clot dancehall ever do that yet. And no artist in a blood clot dancehall will to the bumbo clot pulling power where the G are and how the G are step out there in a dancehall world like a concrete stepper. And everywhere him step, all when it not shake it, still blood clot broke off. What not chat about? Eh? What not chat about? Eh? What not chat about? No one talk to me. You know I'm vexed because me all say all of this. You know got blood clot vex with Live Nation, one of the biggest blood clot promoting, blood dancehall promoter in the bumbo clot world. You hear that? Go hold up argument with them. And them book artists and carry them all over the world go bumbo clot perform. And them I say so. You hear that? 10 Star Ungla translate it over in a theme blood clot style in our ears for make you know say when we step on a blood clot lollipop thing, a Gaza Mark 90 rifle and Glock thing. No gimmicks thing that in it na a lollipop thing that in it to the way how me I represent nation people. Yo, you have to know how Vybz Kartel make it. I be a style, lyrics, megaphor, antanja, rhyme, and pattern him use and set it. No blood clot gimmicks thing that about it. It wasn't no blood clot mouth talk. And Vybz Kartel rise up in the Ross clot rivalry. A bumbo clot, bounty killer and beanie man. To a Jamaica finest when it comes to blood clot dancehall music. And the G Vybz Kartel still overpull all of that bumbo clot and prevail at number one. Who the bumbo clot is, my brother? Who no ever kill in a dancehall? Oh, people soon skillful in a dancehall. Who no do in a dancehall? That top not at all with the G though. You can't chat to the G. You can't chat to the blood clot G. Which one of you can chat to the G? Eh? Which one of you can chat to the G? You sit down on a whole conference on the bumbo clot man. Think man I hear that, I think man a fool. Eh? Who bumbo clot come out and say congratulate Vybz Kartel, the king of blood clot dancer, receive him crown a bumbo clot sunfest. Who the fuck come out come do that? Dog, I'm telling you something, you know, my brother. I'm telling you something, you know. Yo, people are soon true colors, my brother. That's why the general not even tarry. The general just lift up bumbo clot one time. You see me? From them done with Sunfest, oh your bumbo clot mean general. You know, see where them have blood clot go on with. From you see them shit there enough for ask where the bumbo clot are go on. You see what I deal with? It not take a blind man to see that. You see what I say? I don't know how magnificent them a blood clot though. I don't know how bumbo clot prestigious them are though. Nah psycho, not ass clot, psychological shit. You see what I say? I don't know like that. You hear that? I sit down on the general name like back pocket rock, the whole of dancehall. I not lie to you. No. Yo, I'm telling you something. You continue. Because talking now can't pass the general. Nowhere in a dancehall. Talking can't do that. You see what I say? And your ability and your talent of a bumbo clot bring you there. So. You hear that? So guess what going to happen? You continue. Sit down on the blood clot general name. And say if one of them there right now go listen up na the blood clot here like a blood clot C4 or time bomb. Anyway, people, at the general, the 10 Star one I represent. Big up the whole of FME, the whole of Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza. Big up the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Almantown, the whole of Craigtown. Big up the whole of Arnett Garden, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Rayma, the whole of Tivoli Garden, the whole of Federal. Waterford, you know the big thing tumble along already when I drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing. At the general, the 10 Star one I represent. What? Nation people, hear me now, man. Oh.